Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry my hair looks gross. I went into a swimming pool. I went into a swimming pool. But today I'm starting my first project. I am so excited. It's going to be a Python like horoscope kind of thing cuz I really like that kind of stuff. I think it'd be middle-sized easy, Since it's my first project, I don't want to do something too hard, you know? It's like I'm really nervous, not excited, but let's get into it. Okay, so I think I should start off with a list of zodiac signs. Shoot, what are the zodiac signs? Zodiac signs. I could do a dictionary. Okay guys, so I figured out the input and I got it to do the input. Now I'm just gonna figure out how to print the horoscope. So yeah. Okay, so I finished it now. I figured out all the problems. I ended up just using a big function with the conditional statements. And then I have the input for the name, printing it out, and then I have the input for the zodiac, and then it'll print out the zodiac statement. So I used if the zodiac, this one equals the sign instead. So yeah. And I'm going to show you how it runs. Okay, so I just opened it up in my terminal using the command python3 code.py because that's the file name. I also had to navigate the file system to get to the directory. So the first thing that you're supposed to do is hit space, enter your name. So that's my name. And then and then I can enter in my zodiac sign. This is going to take this one you don't need a space for, that one because it returns a string. So Sagittarius, and I'm actually going to full screen this so that it looks normal. So Sagittarius, and then it says, this is a favorable day and you should make the most of it. Those who are waiting for good news on the financial fronts, they can get it. You may be able to enjoy a peaceful and joyful time with family members. Some may have to devote extra hours and work hard to complete a project on time. Some home remedies can prove effective in dealing with minor health issues. So yeah, that's my project. It's a little horoscope thingy. I know my screen looks gross, but yeah. Okay guys, so that was a journey. I did that all on my own, barely used Stack Overflow just for like a few questions about classes, but I ended up going with functions, which was way easier for me, but I did it guys. I literally did it. I'm literally so proud of me. So subscribe to my channel because I did it. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you in the next one guys. Bye.